Hello and welcome to Smart Horizon. I am Bhavna Chawla. Working with rasterized images in Photoshop can sometimes be problematic. As you increase the size above the original size, it will get distorted. In Photoshop, we have a smart way of working so that we can maintain the image quality and manage a complex composition. So, what are smart objects? Smart objects are the layers within a composition on which we contain image data for raster or vector images. Smart objects are the layers which contain the original image with its original characteristics. So here we have this document with a raster image and a smart object. If we look into the layer panel, this is a raster image and thumbnail with a box on the corner. This is our smart object. We will select the layer with the raster image, press Ctrl T and transform this down like this and press enter. What we will do again is we will transform it back to the original size and press enter. We will see it gets distorted. This is because, as we have learned earlier, raster images are made up of physical pixels, and as we scale down, it will loosen the pixels. And when we scale up, Photoshop will add pixels on its own. So this affects the quality of the image. Next, we do the same with the smart object layer. So we will select the smart object, press Ctrl T, transform it down, press enter, again press Ctrl T, transform it up and press enter. And here we will see no distortion. This is the issue when we use raster images. Here when I come to the layer panel and double click this smart object thumbnail, it will open the original image. As we press Ctrl W, it will come to the original document. Smart objects are originally quite larger in size. This is why when we make changes to the images of the smart objects, it has no effect. Next, we will learn how to create a smart object. We will open an image. I'll select the move tool by pressing V and clicking and dragging it to our original document. I'll release the mouse after I have decided where to paste the image on the canvas. So this is our image here. Here we have this layer. I'll right click here, convert to smart object. So now as you can see, this is our smart object now. Double click on the thumbnail and we can see it opens up in a new window. Now it's easy to have any change in this image. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer here. Switch off the visibility of the original layer and I'll make changes to the hue and saturation of the duplicated layer and I'll press OK. Then I'll press Ctrl W to close the document. The Photoshop will ask me if I want to save this document. I'll save it. I'll click on yes and I'll go to my original document. Here we will see the changes that I have made on the document of the smart object. So this suggests that with the help of smart object, I can organize my complex composition easily and can have smoother workflow. That's all for this session. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, kindly press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload new content. Thank you for watching.